Using razor blades is a fantastic and cheap alternative to electric shavers. They not only save you money but also provide you with a quality shave. Indeed, using razor blades won't hurt your pocket that much, but how long do they last? If you have to replace them often, maybe there is no real savings. The truth is, you can extend the life of your razor. A great option is to use razor blade sharpeners rather than disposing of the blade after a few uses. You may wonder, do razor blade sharpeners really work? Yes, they definitely work. Using razor blade sharpeners will give you at least 5 times more shaves. So, whenever your razor is feeling a bit dull, you can use the sharpener, and with only a few swipes, it will become sharp again for the next use. Now that you know that a razor blade sharpener really works, read on to find out more about making your razor blade last, and how blade sharpeners work. And by the way, if you want more videos like this one, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. How long do razor blades last? If you shave daily, then you should expect your blade to last for less than a week. This means your razor blade will be due for a change after about 6 shaves. Although, this is just a general guide to how long razor blades last. There are still several factors that influence the lifespan of your razor blade. How fast your hair grows. The time it takes for your beard to grow back influences how often you should shave, and this will also impact how many times you use your razor blade. While some need to shave daily, others need to shave only once a week. Some people don't mind being a bit scruffy for a few days, while others want to be clean shaven every day. It depends on personal preference. However, it takes about 6 shaves before a razor blade gets dull enough to notice a declined quality of shave. Your type of hair. The speed at which your beard will grow and require shaving may depend on the coarseness or thickness of your facial hair. If your beard is thick, it will require the blade to do more work before you get a clean shave. If you have fine hair, the razor doesn't have to work as hard, so your blade will last longer. The types of blade used. All razor blades are not the same, although all blades should be made from a stainless steel alloy. Manufacturers make their blades a little bit different from each other. The thickness, the material and the grinding of the blade will influence the blade's longevity and performance. You can try out a few different brands of blades to know what's best for your skin and how long they last. You will find out how long the blade lasts by keeping track of how often you need to replace them compared to how often you shave. The shaving technique. The shaving technique impacts how long it takes for the blade to become dull. Our hair grows downward, but you may notice that it isn't at a convenient 90-degree angle, and in fact, the direction of growth may not be consistent in different areas of our face. A technique you can use to get a close shave is the 3-pass technique. This is a way of shaving with the grain, which is shaving in the same direction as your beard growth, then across it, which is horizontal to your beard growth, and then against the grain, which is the opposite way of your beard growth. Using the 3-pass technique to shave is an effective way to get a really close shave, but your blade will become dull quicker. Shaving against the grain right away will wear down your blades faster. If you want your blades to last longer, you should do the first pass with the grain before you start shaving against it. How the blade is stored. How you store your blade and where you store it will influence how long your blade lasts. Like I mentioned earlier, razor blades are made from stainless steel. This can easily get corroded by chemicals and moisture, especially after some time. The process by which the blades get corroded due to this exposure is called oxidation. This process will eventually make the blades become dull even without use. Do razor blade sharpeners really work? Yes, they really do work. If you have really coarse hair, after a few shaves, your blade will get dull and won't work well. If I were you, I would invest in a good blade sharpener such as the Trenton Gifts Razor Blade Sharpener or the Razor Pitman's Razor Blade Sharpener. They are great for sharpening your blades and turning them almost brand new again. Sharpening razor blades can be done with different things and shouldn't sound strange to you as it isn't a new technique. It is commonly done in the barbershop in a technique referred to as stropping. Stropping is a process where you rely on a piece of material to polish and refine your razors. It is done to rectify any tiny bends and tears on the metal, to realign the steel, and remove ragged burrs. It can also be used to remove sharp points that might be catching your skin. You can use a blade sharpener or a common household material to strop and bring back your dull blade to life. I think we need to talk about the differences between stropping and honing. Stropping is the act of running a razor blade along a piece of leather to warm up and align the blade edges. This process is used to clean up the edges of a blade to give a better shave. You can strop your blade before every shave. Honing, on the other hand, is the act of using an abrasive material like a stone to improve the blade's geometry. This process is not done as frequently as stropping. Conclusion: I believe you now know using blade sharpeners totally works. Just like many people, I was also hesitant to buy a blade sharpener, but right now, I am glad I did. With a blade sharpener, you should get more than 6 shaves per razor. However, also know that a blade sharpener isn't a miracle worker that makes your blades last forever, so once in a while, you need to give your razor a few swipes in the sharpener to ensure your blade keeps giving you a close shave. Also remember to take good care of your razors, specifically protecting them from being stored in a moist environment, or put away without being rinsed. Always rinse and dry your razor, then put away in a dry place. If you are having trouble growing a beard, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster now. Thanks for watching.